1955 Ford Thunderbird here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two top cars, so hard top and soft top on this one. Full restoration approximately 15 years ago, and it is in nice shape. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Of course, 292 V8 underneath the hood in the 55s. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, and you can see the chrome and the bright work front of this one. Excellent shape, as well as the paint. Thunderbird Blue T paint code. Interior trim code is C, turquoise and white. Nicely equipped power seat, power windows, town and country radio. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the wide white wall bias ply tires. Spoked wheel covers. It does come with another set of just the basic or standard wheel cover. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. Fender skirts on this one. Of course, the bench seat. Shifter on the floor. And as you can also see, the interior is as nice as the exterior. We will fold up the white vinyl top. I'll show you the condition of that. We'll put the hard top on it so you can check that out too. And you'll be able to see it pictured each one of those ways, with the top down, hard top on, soft top up. Chrome in the rear, also in nice shape. You can see the dual exhaust exits up above the bumper. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle will be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This also has a protective plastic that will be put back on there when the hard top goes on and the soft top is up, and I'll show you that in one of the videos. You'll be able to see it with the hard top on, soft top up. A few extra things that are going to go with this. Looks like a bottle jack. There's those wheel covers I was talking about. There's a starter in the box. A bunch of Ford manuals. Original oil bath air cleaner also. This does have a twist-on oil filter upgrade. It does have that. Probably be able to see that from the underside pics. 12-volt system. Fuel that was used was non-oxy and a Lucas oil with zinc. So you're aware of that. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com, and you can see the paint on the driver's side just as nice as the rest of the car. If you like Thunderbirds, maybe these mid-50s vintage cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. You can see the hard top in the background. Get that on shortly. And remember, the 55s did not have the portholes, so that is correct. By the way, that stand on wheels that stays here with me does not go with the car. That's for our display purposes. All right, I mentioned power seat. That is working. Power windows, those are working. As you can see, seating surface also in nice shape. Seat belts up front. There is only an up front on this car with one bench seat. All right, very stock looking dash. Here's the clock is even working. Let's fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood and stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Again, 292. Look at the tack working over here. One of the better working tacks I've seen in these baby birds. Top of the dash looks good. Interior light works. Make sure we're in neutral. And we are. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nothing crazy over the top for the exhaust. Nice sounding car. All right, and I believe I mentioned overdrive, 3-speed manual with overdrive and 292 V8. So let me pause this a second. We're gonna get this hood open, take a look underneath there. All right, underside of the hood. Look at how clean this engine bay is. Wow. There it is. I'd say that's running pretty smooth. Looks good and sounds good. Pretty stock looking. The cowl tag, data tag with the VIN, all the codes, that'll be in the still pictures. If you want to do any decoding yourself, take a look at that. Yeah, this baby is clean. Be a fun car for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Guarantee you this one will take home some trophies, no doubt about that. All right, so there's the engine bay. Let's go ahead. I'm going to get this vinyl top up. We'll take a look at that, and then we'll get the hard top on, wrap up this walk around, and a look at it with the convertible top up, the soft top anyway. As you can see, nice tight fit above the windshield. Chrome or bright work looking good on there. Vinyl. It's white vinyl convertible top. Side glass also rolled up. Power windows, remember. I will leave this kind of protective plastic on there, just help protect the paint. The next owner can choose if they'd like to remove that, leave it on. It'll be completely up to you. Rear window nice and clear. Around to the passenger side. So no rips, tears, holes, really anything I've noticed in the convertible top. Passenger side glass up also. And there you go. Convertible soft top up. We're going to also check it out with that hard top on. So give us a bit. That'll be a two-person job. We'll get the hard top on, check that out. Remember, stick around to the very end of the video. Take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And last but not least, hard top on. Fits very nicely, nice tight fit above the windshield once again. Side glass rolled up. Nice match on the paint. I have not noticed any scratches or imperfections on the top either. This one's pretty much a beauty all the way around. Nicely restored. No doubt about that. Side glass on the passenger side, and again, above the windshield. There you go. 1955 Ford Thunderbird, both tops, hard top, soft top. Very nice shape. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Definitely take a look at the underside. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1955 Ford Thunderbird, and this has to be the nicest one I've seen or driven. In one of the greatest colors as well. I don't know what you call it, maybe aqua? Very 1955 color, very nice. This is a 3-speed manual right here on the floor. We got a little bit of traffic to wait for. The sun, you're getting a chance to see the sun shine through the speedometer, which is very cool. Naturally lighted by the lens in the back of the speedometer to catch the daylight. One of the main styling cues in the dash that is so great from the 50s, the style is just amazing. Factory horn is working as it should. The wipers also work on this car. What a great running car. Started just with the flick of a key and idled right away. Our tachometer on the left is working perfectly and looking perfect. The speedometer also working. Fuel gauge just under a half of the tank. The temperature a little over a quarter of the way up from cold. All that looking great. Factory clock over here ticking, counting the minutes and the seconds. The dash looks amazing. The headliner looks amazing. And being a T-Bird, this top is removable. You can go convertible. We do have a top up today. It is a chilly day in Minnesota. smooth ride down the road. Steering wheel nice and straight, and if you let go of the wheel it stays there, which means our alignment is good. That great color carried through to the steering wheel, a carpet seat, vinyl bench seat with white insert on the inside. We'll go to second for the roundabout here. Smooth in the corners, doesn't lean more than it should, it's just right. $1955 V8 hour in a great looking Thunderbird. Of course, a convertible. What more can you ask for in this very low mile saving machine? Is the best choice you're going to find. Take a look at all the pictures at Unique Classic Cars.com.